If you're experiencing an installation loop with EAFC25, follow these steps to resolve the issue and successfully complete the installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for EAFC25. Check the official website for the specifications needed to run the game smoothly. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be causing the loop. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run the installer as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Re-download the installer. If the issue persists, the installation file may be corrupted. Delete the current installer and download a fresh copy from the official EA website, then try the installation again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing EAFC25. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.